Hi there. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to convert Word document paragraph into sound or speech, or you can say audio. Last time, if you have not seen my PDF to Word, PDF to speech or audio, uh, you know, video, then you can explore it from I button, or you can also check it from my description below. So for today's video, I'm going to read my, the text from the Word document, and we will convert it into audio. And in this specific video, I'm covering how to access specific paragraph from the Word document, because my last video, one of the audience asked me, how to access specific paragraph. So in this video, I will solve how to access it from how to fetch the text from the specific paragraph, how to fetch specific paragraph and convert it into MP3 or audio. um, um, so let's begin with this. First, the document which we are going to access is here. So this is my test document. It is empty because I wanted to show you how to generate content from content in Word document. So let's begin with the equal to rand, and I want to create 3 paragraph with the 5 line each paragraph containing. So yeah, you can see this having 1 2 3 4 5 lines each paragraph. So I have 3 paragraph now. I'm saving it. So you have to just remember test doc is there, and which has to be which has only 3 paragraph, each paragraph containing 5 lines. So now for accessing document, I need a few things, like I need some library. So one of the most important library in that is import docx. So I just want to tell you that I'm getting it because I have already installed it, but you might get some error. So for solving that, you can use, first you need to install it using pip. So pip install uh, Python-docx. This is the command to install first. So you just need to install this first and then import. Okay, then it will get imported. I hope it is clear to you. I'm making it comment just because I'm not going to use it. I have already done it. Okay, so docs. Next file, which library which need to be needed in my video is OS, because I'm going to store my directory in it using this. I'm going to look at directory, and then because I want to convert it into sound, I need one of the library which I have used also in earlier video, and that is PyTSX3, text to speech. Okay, and then we have one more library. Suppose there is any error, we want to ignore that error. So warning from warnings, uh, sorry, I'm sorry, import warnings. And what I have to do is I just want to ignore it. So for that, we have warnings dot filter warning here, single quotation, ignore. Okay, so after this, this will get installed, and next line we have to do is uh, because I want to I have stored my text file in one of my directory. I just want to change my directory using os ch directory, and here my directory name will be, so it is under single quotation d colon, and you can use, so it's my personal, and in that I have stored one of the my directory is there, which is text to speech. Yeah, so my directory is changed now. My file will be saved from saved in this directory, and I can fetch directly any file from this directory. I hope it is clear. Then the next is I want to read my doc. So for that, I need one of the variable, which is read doc. I have created this variable as a read doc to read my doc. Then doc x dot document is there, which is used for reading the document, and my document name should be here. So for my if you observe, my file name is text to it was test, not text to, it was test doc, test doc. dot. Oh, I'm sorry, it has to be in single quotation. Okay, so yeah, done with reading. Now next is I want to abstract the text from the document. For that I need one of the variables, so I have taken variable as a text read, we can say, of course. So text to text from the doc, I can say text from doc is equal to which have read earlier read. I have already stored my document in that read. That is doc and dot. In that I have uh, paragraph, which is one of the variable paragraph, one of the method from the paragraph is used for accessing specific paragraph from the document. So paragraphs, and here we can describe which number of paragraphs you want to access. It begins with the 0. 0 means it is 1, and so on. We can continue with the 1, 2, 3, whichever paragraph you want to read. Okay, dot, we want to say that I need text from this paragraph. So it is stored in text from doc. And then next we have audio. So one of the variable I'm taking is audio, and I'm reading initiating here. So for sound, I need to initiate between sx3 dot init. It will initiate in audio format. Then audio I can use for here we use say for converting your text to sound. So here say what you want to say, that is text underscore from doc. Okay, and then the next you have to just run is audio dot run and wait method.
Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. When you click online video, you can paste in the embed code for the video you want to add. You can also type a keyword to search online for the video that best fits your document. To make your document look professionally produced, Word provides header, footer, cover page, and text box designs that complement each other. For example, you can add a matching cover page, header, and sidebar.
Okay, so it's read all 5 lines from the one paragraph. See, you can change from paragraph from here. It's a 0, you can make it 1, you can make it 2. 2 means it's a third paragraph. I hope you understand, because last time I told you our paragraph sequence begins from 0. Okay, so now we had done with this. In congratulations, you have done with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Within 5 lines, we can convert one doc to audio file. Uh, if you want to export it, we can also export it by using audio dot save to file, and you have to give your text file name, which is here text. Okay, you need to assign name, so Word document to audio dot mp3, and then next again you have to run this audio dot run wait to export, and this audio file will be exported. Now, for example, let me show you. So after this, I want to show you this file is generated here, audio, and
Video provides a powerful way
say,
to help you prove your point. When you click online video,
okay,